one na eye open now. Person wey die don't come back to life. I don't know, bear this one a second Lazarus. But the thing be, doctor don't declare say this person don't die. I can't surprise how this person take come back to life, and this one they happen for inside Lebanon. We gotta say people don't even gather say okay, as this one don't die now, may they do the burial of this person. Now they begin to say this person has begin push up inside the burial, the coffee way in the inside. Now they come the reason and say how come person wey don't die like this go come begin they breathe again before they go see this person never die. My people beg, make now follow me watch. Wish they really shall. See, person who don't die, we say they don't declare. In fact, now this guy get lucky. You get lucky, say they never even put you inside grave, pour sand on top, because if not, that story now for the year. Some people don't even come go notice. If some person don't even notice, in fact, your own are gone. But now as people come say this person still they breathe, now they begin give them CPR, begin start to they push in chair so that he go feel wake up before they can even call ambulance. And as they carry this guy reach hospital, doctors talk say this guy they alive. Say even them say they quite even surprised. Say how manage they declare this man dead? Say how manage they even report come add to dead bodies? Even themselves they quite even they surprised. Now they get problem with all these people. We say if person just die immediately, they don't bury the person. And this one they mostly happen among the Muslim people. Now supposed to reduce this kind of thing. Maybe now go wait. Be after 3 days. Now go check them. Okay, be this person don't really die. Be never die. Because even Christians say if you just go do mistake, go faint, if you just go put you inside fridge. Before you go see, you could even die for real. But this one, if say then this people don't even go notice it. They could just bury this guy just like that. He go just turn to ghost. You never even die, but you go die for inside your coffee just by yourself. But if say this one go happen inside Africa, be Nigeria, we foresee raising competition. Now go see how people go pick race. Because this one go even surprise say this one in blessing and in village people now don't wake them up back. They go down, they talk different things, say maybe now because of superstition, he won't come back on revenge. But this one blessing, God just won't give this one second chance. And I hope say this second chance you go use them well. I hope say you go use them wisely. Because this one will be say doctors don't declare, and I trust for them to declare, it means say you know they breathe. So for you to come wake up, it means that God just won't give you life. It means that God now just won't spare, make you just they thank your stars. In fact, they never even put you inside sand. My people beg, I hear this news as make I bring and come, make na service in our ear. Here wait till they happen. Anything when I feel about the matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you for the next video. Kaya Mata seller don't talk say Obi Cubana get spiritual protection and say her product no go fit work for him body. For those of now we don't know what be Kaya Mata, this one just be like one kind medicine been as something. If it be in form of waist bead, be in form of wristband, and so this thing be. But the thing get spiritual charm. I won't even talk am. You feel use a whole man, you feel use am. In fact, if you tell your husband say I be your man, say give me 1 million sharply, the money don't land. In fact, this one just be like calling. It just be like something they use they call man. And so this kind of thing be. Now there this Hawa Muhammad, where everybody know as Jaruma. She can't come outside they talk say it be like say women don't they disturb her. They don't they complain about this thing, say they need this protection for Obi Cubana. Say they won't use them on top of Obi Cubana. Now there she said come outside they talk say this thing you know if you work on top of people where be say they be billionaire. You know they work on top of people who don't get money because of say wetin. Then these people get spiritual protection. And say the only way to take access them these people now for them to break this penetration. Hey, on they see juju in digital form. So now until they break this kind of penetration before all these kind of things go happen. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
To all the girls that want Obi Cubana, you want to date Obi Cubana, the billionaire Obi Cubana, you want him to be yours, you want him to be your sugar daddy. Do you seriously think Obi Cubana doesn't have spiritual protection? I've been telling you guys this for more than 10 years. Rich people like Obi Kubana, billionaires like Obi Kubana, they have spiritual protection. You can't just go and take Obi Kubana and just make him yours just like that. You think he's just sitting around waiting for you to use Jaruma products on him? Huh? He's waiting for you to get Jaruma products and take him away? No, Obi Kubana has spiritual protection. They all do. I've been telling you guys this for how many years now? All rich billionaires have spiritual protection. So if you want to penetrate them, you have to break the protection, the spiritual protection, and also they're wise, they.
Ladies, I don't hear Abi. I know say most of na don't go slide inside this gate. They ask a different kind of question. But now they see say women, we get longer throat. Longer throat because of ordinary barrier we perceive. One, I see different type of currencies where they spray this man. Because of this one, now every girl won't took eye inside this man matter. Every girl won't cash out because of this whole thing. But I beg Auntie Jaruma, this kind of matter, you sure say this thing they really work. Because I think say this kind of matter, now Chioma talk say she used to hold the video. But look, relationship don't crash. So I won't come to ask, you sure say this thing they really work? I be just they sell your market. Because I believe say some people don't use this one. Make I even use example. Regina Daniels, she used this one on top of net and she marry him. Sure you won't talk say net will get money, almighty money. He no get spiritual protection. I be you won't talk say as net dey like that, he no get any power to take protect himself. If let's say this lady, she just won't come outside, just won't come talk. Maybe she just won't advertise her business. Okay, kaya matter or ide, and I no go surprise. Our ladies, you know go surprise say some people go still go meet and say they won't buy. Say they won't buy, they hold their husband, they hold abeg because of man. Or now they do things now one tie person down, tie person destiny. Because of what? Because of this kokoro and money. Hey! Ladies, and we they really do things. The kind of things what they do, it they won't surprise me. But I beg, if this kind of matter really they work. In fact, I should say people go don't use on big people. I beg, Mrs. Kubana, make I give you advice. You better hold your man tight and strong. If na prayer you go use stay hold abi na juju just hold am down because now ladies are not smiling. They don't put eye for this man matter. They don't chook eye for an eye. Say they won't even snatch him from you. But people no even dey wise. Make a reason this man bet. Oh, now don't forget say this man not be money even use. Now people now they spray him this money. Now people now carry things they give him. The wine where they drink now people bring him. There's so many 100, 300 cows. How many cows? Now people give him. Why when I no go raising then these people? When I no go meet them these people? So okay, now these people now be the billionaire. Why not only Obi Kubana matter now and I can't put iPhone? In fact, now this Obi matter, it don't detire me every day. This one Obi Kubana do this one. Obi Kubana, it don't detire me. And our lady said, because of longer, I beg making her they calm down. Last, this one just talk juju pass juju. It means that Jaruma juju, it just in fact, it just start to the go gym. It means Obi Kubana juju, the thing don't graduate. This one a spiritual one. For her to talk, say this thing no fit work. So ladies say, make her just go sit down, pack herself for one place because they don't talk and say, this thing can only work, make her just generate for a poor person. Because anybody will get money, the person don't get protection. So make her go they find a poor man to use this thing on top of. My people, I beg, I hear this one. As make her bring and come, make her say, this na ear. Hear what it they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what just yarn, make not forget to write down inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.